Thank you. We are very glad to be here in name of Fiskevegn. I will try to make my best effort because I am not native in English, so I am sorry if sometimes it's very difficult to understand me, okay? And basically, this is a very general presentation about what has been so far. A little bit about Fiskevegn. Fiskevegn is a leading Scandinavian manufacturer of cords, ropes, and fishing equipments. Actually, we have 2 locations in Norway. The first one, and the main one, is in Flatraket, where is located the factory of cords and ropes. And the second one is a representative office in Ålesund. Basically, these both locations are close to the fishery industry, with the intention to be close to our customers. Okay, and as well in the Flatraket factory we have our subsidiary company that is BFG, actually our current fishing equipment here. Okay, this is international operations of Fiskevegn, actually, and we really hope in the next session of Colto workshop to paint in blue Chile, because we know this market is very important, and we really expect in the future to bring new solutions, concrete solutions for our customers. As you see, we are able to provide services around the world. What do we expect from this workshop? For us, it's very important because some months ago, when we start the conversations with internally in our team, we start to talk about a triangle. We understand now in the same level are scientists, fisheries, and fishing hairs developers that we are your company. And we are not able to bring new solutions with the right feedback from fisheries and scientists. So this is why for us it's very important to have the right feedback from all people that is placed now here. And in general terms, we are really open to listen and learn from all you. And for sure, this Colto is a golden opportunity to discuss challenges and solutions, suggest directions where possible, for sure. Evaluate the feasibility and market for emerging new solutions, and to look for collaboration and partnerships. And as I will explain more later, we are ready to take place some sea trials, and we are looking for sure to use some vessels to put our new prototypes and make trials and check that all works perfectly. Before to come here, we were talking about the current situation. So this is basically a summary of about how we can see the next steps in this industry, because we can identify, for example, here, active deterrents, catch protection systems, operational adaptation systems, and at the end, we feel that we need to define our strategy, because the unique solution for the whale's depredation is not just one. We need to think in a complete solution using a package of alternatives. So this is why we are including here this concept, the concept about combined deterrent systems. Here is an example of operational adaptations. I am really very glad to hear Paul Texier about increase the hauling velocity, because this could be a good solution. We know about the concern about the fisheries, because for sure it's involved the security of the crew. But more important than this at the moment is understand from our point of view the behavior of the line, you know. I will explain tomorrow more details about this. Anyway, this is very general information, but for us it's very important because we are starting from the bottom, you know, and we need to understand what happened when we put a line in the sea and analyze what occurred there, you know. So it's very important for us because if we really understand what happened in all angles of this triangle, we will find the solution for a perfect fishing gear machines. Here is the concerns that we know are regarding the howling, increase the howling velocity, for sure hydrodynamic issues, and here losses, security issues for the crew, and for sure whales learn and adapt to the technique. About the hydrodynamic issues, we are working very, very hard with simulations, computer simulations to analyze the line behavior, and now we are in the stage to simulate the line in the flume tank. Here are some examples about previous solutions. I think you know about this. Is the early Sago prototype. This is the first Sago prototype according with the inventor specifications. Maybe we will take this prototype and we possibly make some improvements to try to develop a better system, okay? But at the moment, this is all that we have about Sago, okay? This was fabricated by BFG in Flatraket. And here, just a short summary about our studies, because Fiskevegn is really very interested in the investigation. We are very close with some high-level organizations in Norway to develop good studies and good approaches in this area. And we really expect to have a good products based in a high-level background, because otherwise, for us, it's just a waste of time, you know. Actually, we will have some doubts to show some information about our current studies and prototypes, because this could generate some false expectations in all people, you know. So we prefer in this stage not present this information. We have many videos, photos, and many things, but we want to be very careful in this stage. Maybe if we complete in the next months the sea trials of our new prototypes, maybe in the North Fish in the summer in Europe, maybe we can present some products for all. But at the moment, we will be very careful to avoid any wrong expectations. And I am really glad to be here, and I really expect to discuss with all about this new technology. And for sure, we are really open to listen about all, and to listen for sure about feedback from fisheries, from scientists, and bring a new good products. Thank you very much.